map drawn to a scale of 1:50,000.
On a map, the scale is
1:50,000.
1:50,000. Okay.
A rectangular plot of land
Rectangular. This is question number
20.
huh?
20.
20. So rectangular plot. This is rectangular plot. So rectangular plot is like this. So what is dimensions?
ABCD.
It's vertex. It is not dimension.
Sorry.
A B C D.
AB 6 centimeter.
कोई नहीं. This is 6 centimeter and this is
BC is
8 centimeter. I hope
yes.
8 centimeter. This is 90 degree and this is we have diagonal and it is 10 centimeter. ठीक है? So so we can write A B C D. A B sorry, we write here B D C B. Triangle DCB is right angled. Right angled triangle. Right. So it is मैंने ऑलरेडी लिख दिया है पाइथागोरियन ट्रिपलेट होता है बट इफ यू गो लाइक दिस सो ये मतलब यू कैन राइट BD स्क्वायर is equal to CD square plus AB square. So CD is 6 square plus 8 square. 8 square. So it becomes 36 plus 64 is equal to 100 centimeter square. Is sorry. It is 100 centimeter. Oh, it's 100 centimeter, right? So now you told diagonal in rectangle diagonals are equal. Diagonals are equal. So this is AC is equal to BD. AC is equal to BD. Right? So it means this is 10 centimeter. So you have to find the diagonal. So 10 centimeter up. This is what? This is model. Right? So diagonal of model upon diagonal of actual is equal to 1 upon 50,000. So right, so this you know how much this we find is basically 10 centimeter, है ना? This is you get, sorry, yeah, it is 100. So BD square is equal to 100, taking root over. So BD is equal to 10 centimeter. So diagonal is 10 centimeter So it becomes diagonal of actual is equal to 10 into 50,000 is equal to 5 lakhs. So as you know, as we know, 1 kilometer, sorry, 1 lakh, 1 lakh centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. So 5 lakh centimeter is equal to 5 kilometer. So diagonal of actual is is 5 kilometer. Right? Now what you have to find? This is diagonal of actual is 5 kilometer. What do you have to find next?
Actual area of square.
Actual area of rectangle, na?
Rectangle dot in square kilometer.
So can I rub this?
Yes.
So we will do it like this. This is 6 centimeter, this is 8 centimeter. So area rectangle model is equal to 6 into 8 becomes 48 centimeter square, right? So 48 centimeter square. So area model upon area actual is equal to 1 upon k square, right? So it is 48 48 48 48 into 48 centimeter square, 48 centimeter square into 5 lakh, sorry, k square, na? So 50,000 square upon 1 lakh whole square is, when we write here 1 lakh, so the centimeter turns to be kilometer square, right? Kilometer square. Getting my point? So what you do now? You will, this square is gone. This is 1 time 2 and 2 times 48 becomes 24. So area actual is equal to 24 kilometer square. What is your answer?
12 kilometers.
What is question? Then I have to read that. It is rectangular क्योंकि ये 12 किलोमीटर ट्रायंगल का तो होगा. क्या है क्वेश्चन? मतलब व्हाट इज क्वेश्चन?
The actual area of the plot in square kilometer.
Fine. And what data is given you?
Scale is 1 ratio 50,000
Yeah.
and a rectangular plot of land ABCD has following dimension AB6, BC8. Find diagonal of AC and
We get that 5.
area of
That was how much?
5 kilometer.
5 kilometer. Okay, half of that. So this is actual. You check the answer. Is it correct?
12 kilometers square.
You check.
12 kilometer.
Six times 8 becomes
48. And here we 24 kilometers.
.24 kilometer square. You just show me where this. नहीं वो अभी क्वेश्चन. Area is 48 centimeter square. So if we have done this square and square is gone. But if we not do like this, right, and we write actual area, actual is equal to area model into k square, right? So it becomes how much? 48 into 48 upon 1 lakh into 1 lakh into 1 lakh into 50,000 into 50,000, right? This is kilometer square, right? So this is 2 times. This is 2 times. Oh yes, they will not cancel. We will take it common. That there I made a mistake. If we are writing it like that, let me do this. This is 2 So this is 24, this is 24, and this is 12. So it is 12 kilometers square, right? So problem was that we have written actual area actual is equal to area model. Area actual is equal to area model is equal to area model into 50,000 whole square upon 1 lakh whole square, right? So they will not cancel. By mistake I done this. It will be area model is 48. It is kilometer square. So 48 into 50,000 upon 1 lakh whole square, right? So it is 2 times, and 2 square is 4. So you get here 48 upon 4 kilometer square. So we get 12 kilometer square, right? Like this. So by mistake what I did, I cancelled these two. But this power will not cancel. They come it like this. So that was the mistake I did. Right? Okay, because when we are writing like this, we are getting the answer. So why? Because when we talk about exponent, in exponent powers will be, like if I said x raised to the power a upon y raised to the power a, so they will not cancelled out. It will not x upon y. It becomes x upon y whole power a. Right? What I did, I cancelled out. But it is not. It should be done like this. It should be done like this. So that's why it is. This will be x raised to the power a upon y raised to the power a is equal to x upon y whole power a. Right? This is here. Getting? This mistake I did, and that's why we are not getting answer. So our answer is 12 kilometers square. Right? You get here also. I hope you understand. Huh? Great. We have done the one question in 20 minutes. My God.